Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into the specs of the brand new Huawei Pura 70 Ultra. Huawei Pura 70 Ultra is the headliner of the reimagined photography series by Huawei. It packs the best camera the Chinese maker could conjure up, coupled with the best design, screen, Kirin chipset, and battery technology, of course. Despite the name change, the Huawei P series is alive and kicking, promising as ever, even without Leica or other trendy partnership being present for marketing hype. And yes, the US sanctions are still at play, but Huawei seems to be on the verge of making those irrelevant. The Pura 70 Ultra is one of the few phones on the market you can immediately pick among 100 phones in a second. The triangular camera design and unique back panel are quite nice, even if the housing is, well, huge. Body and display. First things first, let's talk about the phone's build. The Pura 70 Ultra boasts a sleek and stylish design with a glass front, an aluminum frame, and a unique silicone polymer back that's eco-friendly. It's also IP68 dust and water resistant, so you don't have to worry about accidental spills or splashes. On the front, you've got a stunning 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display with a whopping 120Hz refresh rate. This means incredibly smooth visuals and super responsive performance, perfect for gaming and watching videos. The display also gets super bright at 2500 nits, making it easy to see even in direct sunlight. Performance under the hood, the Pura 70 Ultra packs a punch with Huawei's latest Kirin 9010 chipset. This powerful processor is paired with 16 GB of RAM in all its storage configurations, so you can multitask with ease and run even the most demanding apps without a hitch. Camera. Now, let's move on to the star of the show, the camera system. The Pura 70 Ultra comes equipped with a triple-lens rear camera setup that's sure to impress even the most discerning mobile photographers. The main highlight is the incredible 50MP wide sensor with a massive 1-inch size and a unique retractable lens. This allows for exceptional low-light performance and amazing image quality. There's also a 50MP telephoto lens for capturing stunning zoomed-in shots and a 40MP ultra-wide lens for those expansive landscapes. The front camera doesn't disappoint either, with a respectable 13MP sensor for capturing those perfect selfies and video calls. Battery and other features. The Pura 70 Ultra keeps you powered on with a large 5200 mAh battery, and when it's time to recharge, you've got a variety of options, including blazing fast 100-watt wired charging, 80-watt wireless charging, and even reverse wireless charging to share your power with other devices. This phone is also future-proofed with 5G connectivity and all the latest wireless technology. Plus, some cool extras include an under-display fingerprint reader, stereo speakers, and even an infrared port. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at the specs of the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra. This phone is a true powerhouse with a stunning display, a phenomenal camera system, and long-lasting battery life. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line smartphone that can handle anything you throw at it, the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra is definitely worth considering. Let us know in the comments below what you think about the Pura 70 Ultra. What features are you most excited about? And would you consider buying this phone? Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and